It's a quiet and dull Tuesday morning here in Kingston and the Thousand Islands. I'm Holly, and I was outside enjoying my morning coffee with my family until the birds became too loud to even hear myself think. This song came to mind and reminded me of more innocent and peaceful times. I hope you enjoy it and sing along, or at least tap your toes. He rocks in the treetop all day long, bopping and a singing this song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, rockin' Robin. Go rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little bird in the tall oak tree. Rise, old owl, the big black crow, banana wings singing, go bird, go rockin' Robin, rockin' Robin. Go rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. And that's what my backyard sounded like today. Birds everywhere. Have a great day. Holly out.